Hello everyone, my name is Rai Masum Raja and welcome to Market Updates and Market Smith Portfolio Review. In this video, I will provide concise recap of the last week market performance along with key highlights from the Market Smith portfolio. We'll take you through the latest move in our model portfolio and spotlight the trends and the stocks that deserve your attention in the days ahead. Our aim is to deliver clear practice insight that are easy to understand, whether you have an experienced investor or just starting out, so you can focus on what truly matters this week. So let's dive in. So first of all, I would like to update about market status based on O'Neill methodology. So we are in the confirm uptrend with 8 distribution days, and market has shifted to confirm uptrend on 17th April from rally attempt. And so far as Market Smith portfolio is concerned, we have not added any stocks in our model portfolio in the last week, and we are holding 16 stocks as of now. Now I would be talking about Nifty 50. So Nifty 50, as we can look at the chart, it is a daily chart of Nifty 50, and from the past 2 to 3 days, we have seen that index is actually witnessing profit booking at the higher level, and also it is actually trading at the resistance level, and it is not able to surpass that recent resistance, which has placed around 25,116, as we can see it here. And after that, we have seen that profit booking has taken place, and again it got support around its 21 DMA, and from there we have witnessed bounce back for 2 days, but it was not holding that bounce back, and it was not holding its upward movement, we can say. And again, from the past 2 days, we have seen that market has actually witnessed selling pressure. And if you look at the days count, so distribution days count has elevated and it has increased to 8 distribution day. So we have to be very careful. At any point of time, market can retest its 21 DMA, or might we can change the market status to under pressure. So currently, what are the stocks that we are looking at, or our analyst is looking at? There are so many stocks, but I would like to talk about two or three maximum. So first, I would like to talk about Deepak Fertilizers. So at this current point of time, so Deepak Fertilizers is looking very attractive, and it has already formed consolidation based breakout, and it has also tried to give the breakout in today's trading session with above average volume, but it has not actually in this the price is actually 5 rupees extended, but it has closed at 1445. So that is exactly to the pivot price. So we need to wait for one more day whether it is trying to hold that price, or whether it is not able to hold, and we might see selling pressure or some profit booking at the higher level. As market is as market, the supply is more and the distribution day count is increasing, so we are also actually a bit cautious in adding the stocks as well. But overall, in the Deepak Fertilizers, the sentiment is positive and the stock is looking attractive at this point of time. The next stock which we are closely monitoring is MCX. So MCX has also formed has formed cup with handle base formation, and it is just near its pivot price. If you look at the pivot level, it is 1% from the pivot level in 8 days. So there is no strong move from the past 8 days, and still, if you look at the volume part, so volume is not above average volume, and the demand is not looking that attractive. So let's see in upcoming days what happens. So obviously, we'll update you if there is any changes. The next stock is MedPlus. So MedPlus is looking attractive. There is no doubt about it. And after this consolidation base breakout, the stock has actually extended 10%. So it is looking extended as of now. So we are waiting for pullback for the stock. And once the pullback is taking place, obviously we'll update you, or we'll see whether we'll add the stocks in our model portfolio or not. But it is not guaranteed that whatever the chart that I am showing it to you, it is like we have to add it or we are going to add it. It's just the stocks that we are monitoring it very closely. So I thought I should show it here. The next thing is like we send daily O'Neill market view. So daily market view is very interesting thing. By reading this entire news article, you will be having the idea of the market market sentiment and the market direction according to O'Neill methodology. And also you can have an idea of global market view and the sectoral direction and the market indices, which market index or which sector is doing good. And very important is like in the sectors and in the industry group analysis, which stock is doing good. And we are also highlighting the stocks here. If you open it one by one, then obviously you can see the stocks that it is already filtered here. So that can be that might act as your watch list. So that's it. So it is the wrap for this. And one more thing that as we are in the confirm uptrend, so we need to focus on fundamentally strongest stocks breaking out of sound chart patterns, and we need to check out the stocks our analysts are watching. Increase exposure as long as the market and the stocks continues to show strength. Our analyst highlights any major shift in the trend in our daily market commentaries. Stay disciplined and follow proper buy and sell rules. We need to avoid chasing extended stocks. Instead, wait for technically sound entry points and proper chart setups. So that is the wrap for this week update. And if you found this helpful, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insight. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. And thank you so much for watching the video.